Man, that cake is delicious. My life. That's a hot. You mean cake? I love cake. Cause it gave me on fruits and custard. No. So after reading the guitar, these chocolate is delicious. After all, I got back to what? Wheat. So I go see how it's doing right now. It's so many hours I can't find how. Red! Oh! How? Oh, sorry, I have Ted. I have something problem of you. What? The cave is being danger. What? With what? With the pigs and Gale. You mean Gale's the queen? Yes. And now, hurry up, man. Oh, okay. Angry Birds, come here. What? I have something to talk of you. The cave is in danger with a lot of pigs, I think, and the gal. You mean the gal is a queen, right? Yes. Now, who's go with them? I go with them. I start again anger. I go to what the soul. Woo-ya. I has to turn the D. I go with them. First. Why my hand? Yeah, twist. All's for my husband. No, I turn at first. Boom. And now turn to me. Alright, how can you come on first? Really? Yes, of course. With my boomerang, I will take them down. I'm Puppy. Woo! Ha. Now I'm going to. Oh. Okay, I'm going to ask the starter and the stop. Now we need one more. use a hat to say, help me! I get stuck to her. Alright. Wee-ha! That was so favorite. Now we have to go on the cave and find some meteor. Okay, alright. So let's go. Let's just go. So I go through a putter something. And test. It's 3 hours later. I present the birdemic or the harvest. Wow, that was hour 1. 1 hour. Okay, come on, let's go before it's after night. Alright, but terrace is big. We know what we have to do. We know him. Don't worry, there's not actually 1 hour. Why? I want not hour. Is this button you can push is make this. Wow, it's 3 hours. Now it's machine. Now Terry's going. Now let's go. That was second. Alright again. Now we're in. No. Now we're in. No. Now we're in. No. Now we're in. No. What you say again? I got a gun at you. Well, you have a gun? No. But we in? Oh wait, last time you see a scream until it's red. Not yet. Chuck. Okay, red test. Right, that was so hour. That was so hour. That was so hour. That was so hour. Now we're in. Yes! Seriously? Wait, no. Wait. Alright, and now we finally we finally of ours wait, what? That is in the cave. This is the turbine. No, this is the cave. Really seriously? Yes. And stop talking about, please. Okay. Alright, now let's go in. Let's go. Into. I go it. Wee. What? Okay. Just lean. Wee. Oh. Come on, Bubbles. I go dance. Oh, it's short. Uh-oh. I just... I need to go! Wait, looks like I fell in. Oh no, that was the pigs. Alright, and we're invading the cave. I know. Wait, what? How you know? Cause how Tommy does. It's genius. I have a genius. It's called the Professor Pig. It's that. Now go and right to left. Oh, okay. Now I see your power. Oh! Oh no! Haha! Hehe! Ah! No! Oh! Can't put her. Get down off at this. Hoi! Hehehe! Oh no! Ow! Oh! Joke. Hey! Don't you call me joke. I'm a king. Oh, to start. Baba boy. 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 What shot up a Baba boy? Now my turn. Oh, stop! I'm so fatty. And you're fatty too, Dad. No! Fortress. Time to finish. Yo! Oh! No! What the heck I am? Kill? That's right. Let's prepare to be asked. Now it is. Here, I want to pay for this. Yeah. You can't face me. Oh. A little bit. Oh. Okay, first. Reset. Hurry, go. My turn. Oh yeah. What? Ow. Stop. I hate trampoline. I can't anymore. You are. But not yet. And our eyes. Months. Alright. Let's start it. Minions! Attack! Oh yes! Mr. Queen. Force us. Taste. Gal, it's over for you. Idiot. Stella. Please. British. You guys are okay? Where's Red? And it's just us. Yeah. Oh, hi, blasted swords. My tits cave in? No. What? Is that? Oh, is it? And now, I have something special of you to find them. Oh. Ew, Pokédor is now non-iso-robotic. Where is it pitting now? Right. Okay, out of my way, please. And I talking about and no. Oh. God. The point. Stop it. Egbert, just stop putting for us. Slingshot. Wait a minute. I know I have. Oh, the put that. Phew. I thank you. God damn. Oh, you're fast. Oh, sure. I'm the words. Let's shut them. Boom. Anyways. Oh. Not so fast. Whee! Oh God. I don't. Okay, out of my explosion. Big Hatcher pits the sporky door. Oh! Now the last time you were pushed the purple hand in me. And now, for now, I gotta head you. Hey, do nothing. Okay, Kidder Hast. You roll me in the toy on the nose, and now you get Hast. Everywhere's assemble. Stop it. Stop. Stop. You can't defeat me. You never defeat me. Because I am strong. Okay. And the board. Have once missed me. Stop it. Not yet. I don't have hello. Hello. Oh no. Okay, stop. Trying to destroy with a slingshot. You can get them right now. I'm here for a test. Angry Birds are full speed. Stop it. Brothers, you never hurt right now. Hurt. Everyone, just punch him. Oh no! Uh, 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 uh. 10 hours later. Uh, it. Oh. 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 Yes. Finally. Uh, let's go back. Yeah. Uh, uh. Okay. Dude, it's terrible. Okay, get up. There's a possibility. It's dead. No, of course no. Silver. Construct. And on my way, birdies. Wait, he's constructing our heart. Yeah. Try this, birdies. You're really sure about that? This castle's really small. Don't worry, we're gonna win. You have a slingshot? Of course I have. Wait, how you get them? Because having talents. I found it under animation. Oh, good job, Bubbles. Oh. Stop, focus! Oh, okay. And now let's shoot them up. Oh no. No. Stop. Okay. I go first. I have a nut. Whee! Go, Silver Test. Oh no. Hurry! Oh. Haha, he's not hit me. Are you really sure about that? There's 2 birds left. But this time I'm gonna hit the towards. I'm gonna hit towards something right there. No, I mean something right on their way. Oh, you shooting gun? That is just a no. You did know about this. I have a. Oh God. Haha, you didn't hit me. Oh. Bubbles, is your chance. I have my puff up. Ooh-wee. What? Whoops. Wait. What? I win. Wee. Okay, I'm gonna try and wee. Oh no. Oh no. I got it. Wee. Let's shut up. Bubbles. Enters. Win. You fools. I got a Huffington. Okay. Now what is one now? I can tell we'll win. Actually. Okay, this thing. No, but. Oh no, me. Joe. Okay. This bitch will start over? Maybe. Right. Finally, I got them. What? Oh no! Why is the RV hard to hammer Geos is impossible? That was impossible? Let's go! Let's go! Oh no! His energy is a poster. Let's go, guys! I have to go. Oh no! Let's go blow up. Sorry, girl, I gotta head to. You wait, I'm going to. Oh no! Why is this the lantern salt? Oh! Oh, come on, everyone! We have to get out of here. Oh no! Farm it to comforts. I going to back up. This. I had to find him. Oh no! He's broken. Alright. Hey, construction! Hey, construction. So, we're terrorists. Wait a minute. He's still right there. Oh, let's go. Oh, no. Go to the speed. Oh, Dan, not here. And the explosion was sick. Oh man, it's so much after the hours. I'm supposed to do now. No, my that's stuff. Actually, you know what? I've had enough of this. He stole the statue and defeated us, and you wanted you to spawn it, right? How are you supposed to just move on for night? Screw it! I say we started that vote. Who's with me? And now, that's still his toast to the saints. Angry Birds, you're paid for this. Really? No, we can. Resist our T-Bird. I want to play video games. What the part is that? The eggs? That was despair. Now let's get the Angry Birds get out. Listen. Ugh. Yeah. Ooh. Great job, good birds. We did it. Now we set the day. And we days. Now everything's not gonna worry. I think pigs and we gotta assemble. Yes. And won't forget that. Now it's and now the disease. Okay. Alright. We did it, guys. Let's go home. Get me out of this cage. I guess. Come on. Hey. What? What's talking? It's me. What are you? I am the creature of the dreams. Everything is the whole on touch. Why you creeping the half lantern off my life? Where's my mother? You can't find them right now. It's the touched. And the horse. It falls. And then we fight. And now I'm gonna hit you right. Wait, no. Oh! My eye! Relax. Everything's a harmful side. For you at all. And forced. And now, after all, until I get the eyes open. And now, destroy him when he is on your side. Continue.